Hello, this is the second part of my tutorial video about the Eclipse plugins for Java developers. I'll be adding a link to that in the description section below. Let's proceed. Let's begin with Sonar Lint, which at first is basically just a combination of the three prior plugins that we discussed in the previous video, namely PMD, check style, and find bugs. It provides a more comprehensive report, and as with a Sonar Cube, the previous reports can be saved. More documentations about Sonarlint are available from their website via the URL sonarlint.org, and Sonar Cube has a community edition that we can test so that we can push data and later on gather the reports in one central repository. So download the community edition, and once you download, go to conf folder and make sure that the project that you will push into SonarCube has the same Java version in the wrapper.java command. In my case, I'm using Java 8 as the default, but for this project, I'm using Java 11 OpenJDK. That's why I override the wrapper.java.command value. Again, it's available under the SonarCube conf folder. And then let's start SonarCube. To run the SonarCube, go to bin Windows x64 x86-64 folder and run start sonar.bat. Once it's successfully running, we can access SonarCube via localhost on port 9000. By default, the username and password are both admin. So here, we can log in. As for now, we don't need to do anything with SonarCube server because the project will be automatically created from a plugin that we will add in our project, which is this Sonar Maven plugin. And then, after adding that, we need to create a profile for Sonar. Here, I specified the default Sonar host to localhost port 9000, and then I disabled the test. Unlike PMD and check style, you cannot run Sonar Lint on a single class. It must be run on a project. So for example, for this project, we can run analyze and then it will give us warnings as well as errors that we need to fix. So let's look again at the previous class that has error with PMD. This one, which is law of Demeter. So it has the same error as the one we got from PMD because Sonarlint is actually using PMD. Here we can check the other errors, call optional, and return an empty collection instead of null. This block of commented outlines of code should be removed and more. So it really helps you in cleaning up your code and finding potential bugs later on. So now, how do we push the result of the Sonarlint test into our SonarCube server? Remember, we added a plugin to our project's POM. So what we need to do is just to create a new Maven run configuration and set the profiles to Sonar, and goals is clean, verify, and then the plugin that we have added, Sonar. And let's click run. It will start by cleaning and verifying the project. After that, it will push the result of its finding into SonarCube. Almost done. And after successfully running the Maven build, we can now, or we should be able to see our project in SonarQube, which is this one. So let's see what we have. Oh, not bad. We have 4 bugs and 35 code smells. Looking at the bugs, we have call optional is present. To fix this, we just need to check first if entity is present, which is not so bad. And I think all the other errors are the same. How about the code smells? Yeah, it is not a class, rename, immediately return this expression. Yep. And then 6 parent class, return an empty collection. And yeah, I think that's all the report that we got from Sonar Lint. Next, in our plugin is Maven. It's most often included in our Eclipse installation. It's actually very useful in managing our Maven project. For example, this project of ours. So we can run a Maven build, Maven clean. It lets us manage our project pretty easily. And next is EGIT. It allows us to import the Maven project from my repository. Just right click on the repository and import Maven projects. However, there are some times when it is broken. Thus, we need to import the project using POM via the import existing Maven projects menu. And we're done. Hopefully, you will at least try to install Sonar Lint. It really helps you become a better programmer. In the next video, we will discuss how we can modify Eclipse to at least look like the way we want it to. If you learned something, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload new programming related videos. Thank you for watching and bye!